Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how the solar system, the home of our Earth, the planets, and the mighty Sun will one day come to an end? Everything that begins must end, and the same is true even for the greatest creation of nature, our solar system. Today, we will travel far into the dark and distant future to witness how our cosmic neighborhood will die. Let's begin with the aging of the Sun. The Sun, which gives us light, warmth, and life, is not eternal. It is nearly 4.6 billion years old, and scientists believe it has already lived half of its life. After about 5 billion more years, the Sun will begin to run out of hydrogen, its main fuel. When that happens, it will slowly start to change, growing larger, redder, and hotter. This is the beginning of the end. As it becomes a red giant, the Sun will swell so massively that it will engulf Mercury and Venus. And Earth will not be spared either. The oceans will boil away, the atmosphere will disappear, and life, all life, will come to an end. Our blue planet will turn into a dry, burnt desert. Imagine the Earth transformed into a dead, glowing rock under a giant red sun. It is one of the darkest futures predicted by science. But that's not the end. After a few million years as a red giant, the Sun will shed its outer layers into space, creating a glowing shell called a planetary nebula. At the center, a small and extremely dense object will remain, a white dwarf. This tiny remnant will shine weakly for billions of years, cooling slowly until it becomes a cold, black stone in space, a black dwarf. Now let's look at what happens to the rest of the planets. After the Sun becomes a white dwarf, its gravity will weaken. Planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune will drift farther away into the darkness. The solar system will lose its balance. Some planets might even be pushed out into interstellar space, becoming rogue planets, cold, wandering, and without any light. The asteroid belt and Kuiper belt will fall into chaos. Collisions will increase. Comets will fly in random directions, creating deadly storms of debris. The once beautiful solar system will slowly turn into a silent graveyard of rock and dust. But here comes an even darker truth. The end of the Sun is not the end of danger. Far in the future, as our solar system drifts through the galaxy, passing stars and black holes may come close. Their gravity could disturb the fragile orbits of the remaining planets, tearing them away one by one. Some might be thrown into space forever, while others might be swallowed by distant stars. And billions of years later, when the last bit of light fades from the white dwarf, our solar system will fall into eternal darkness. No sunlight, no warmth, no life, only frozen planets drifting endlessly in the silent void. But the story doesn't end even there. According to some theories, the Milky Way galaxy will eventually collide with the Andromeda galaxy. When that happens, whatever is left of our solar system may be destroyed completely or thrown into a new galaxy. It is the ultimate reminder that even stars and galaxies are temporary. And one of the most haunting thoughts is this: someday, there will be no one left to remember that Earth ever existed. No voice, no trace, no light, only silence. But there is also beauty in this ending. The matter from our Sun and planets will mix with the galaxy and help form new stars, new worlds, and maybe even new life. So in a way, our solar system will die, but its pieces will help create the next generation of the universe. Friends, the end of the solar system reminds us that nothing lasts forever, not even the Sun that gives us life. But it also teaches us something powerful. While we are here, we are part of a cosmic story that continues far beyond time. If you enjoyed this journey into the darkest future of our universe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more mysterious and science-based stories about space and